Hi, this is the Scientist Videographer with another video tutorial. I've noticed that videos made by scientists are often good, but they don't garner many views. That's a problem because such videos are important in showing how science works and why scientific research is important to society. In this tutorial, I explain a few ways you can get more YouTube views of your science videos. First, you want to make a quality video that is understandable by everyone interested in the topic and that people will want to watch. Poor audio or video quality or content that is boring or difficult to follow will turn viewers off, diminishing viewer engagement with your video. Second, you want to rank high in a search, which means you need to craft your title, description, and tags accordingly. Here is an example of a video tutorial I posted on my other YouTube channel on scientific writing, showing how to prepare a graphical abstract for a scientific paper. My title states exactly what my video is about, and the description repeats some key words such as graphical abstract and scientific journal. Avoid cutesy or ambiguous titles. Although a viewer may click on your video because of a cute title, they'll quickly stop watching when they realize it's not what they were expecting. That will decrease your average watch time, which affects YouTube's assessment of your video's performance and its ranking. In other words, craft your title carefully. Don't waste people's time. If your video topic is photosynthesis, be sure to use that term in the title. If your video shows how to do something, use the words how to in the title. Many people go to YouTube to learn how to do something and will type in a search phrase like how to measure photosynthesis. Use those words in your title and repeat them in the text description. For the graphical abstract video, I made a list of words and phrases people are likely to use in a search and included these in the tags section. If we use the search term graphical abstract, my video is the second one recommended by YouTube. Third, take steps to get views as quickly as possible after posting your video because YouTube apparently takes this metric into account when recommending videos. Identify what days and times are best to publish by examining your channel's analytics. Here you can see that a lot of the viewers on my scientific writing channel are watching between 6 and 10 a.m. You may also want to take a look at the geographic location and thus time zone of your main audience before scheduling a publishing time. A really effective move is to promote your video on social media at the same time your video is posted. Here's a tweet announcing the graphical abstract video and a post on LinkedIn. That attracts views soon after posting the video. Fourth, you want to encourage a potential viewer to choose your video out of the list of recommended videos. One way to do this is by preparing a custom thumbnail that attracts attention and tells the viewer that you've put some effort into its preparation. Look at other video thumbnails on your topic and design one that stands out. Fifth, use an end screen on an older video to promote your new video. Doing so ensures that as the video finishes playing, the viewer is offered the new video to watch. All they need to do is click on the thumbnail and they are taken to the recommended video. The sixth and final suggestion is to add a closed caption transcript, which will improve your ranking and broaden your audience and potential viewers. You can upload a text file along with your video, and YouTube will set the timings to match the video. And if necessary, later make edits as shown here. When there is a word-for-word transcript attached to your video, viewers can use closed captioning if they don't understand your language well by using the language translation option on YouTube. Here I'm switching the closed captioning from English to French. This greatly expands your viewing audience. Well, those are a few basic ways you can make your videos more visible and attractive to your target viewers. Let me end by saying that your science video is not a failure if it doesn't get 1 million views right off the bat, or ever. Your science topic just may not have a large potential audience, and that's okay. My graphical abstract video attracted only a handful of views at first, but as you can see, has steadily gained views over time and is now my most watched video on that channel. Your goal should be to make the best video you can about your topic and optimize its visibility using the tips I've described. This is the Scientist Videographer. Thanks for watching.